So for this cushion, I am using the material a customer gave me and large twisted antique cord, antique gold. So you especially want to leave seam allowance on the material, because whether you're using it as a sitting bench or to place shoes on, you don't want it to get stressed so much that the stitches come out the lining. So you need enough allowance to make the stitches stay even when it's stressed out like this. Leave enough room right here for allowance when you sew the front and back pieces together to the side pieces. And you want the fabric to overlap so it can stay sealed during all kinds of activity. Now that I have the hidden zipper in, I need to wrap the foam in Dacron, often called batting, to reduce friction and reduce the wear and tear on the cushion. After that, I'm going to wrap the batting in a silk cover. I'm going to close the cover completely. With this hidden zipper, the customer can remove the cover, hand wash it, or throw it in the washer. This is the batting I'm going to use to cover the cushion to keep it from wear and tear. So I've secured the batting in place with pins. Now I'm going to seal it and clean up the edges. Now that the ends are sealed with batting, just like a present, we can cover it with poly silk or whatever kind of fabric you want to use. I'm going to use poly satin to go well with the outside shell. Okay, now that you have the slip cover on, you need to close up the open end by hand. Needle and thread by hand. Sewing the final closure together on the slip cover, you want to make sure it's real taut. So pull it, because eventually all the covers will loosen up, and you want to start it off by being really taut. And I made a waterproof jacket for the cushion. The cushion just slips right in here. And stays clean and dry.